What's this?
This Nissan GT-R Gold. This one handmade, only one in the world. He make it one. This guy from Japan.
Everything is built by hand and engravement. Everything is built by hand. This is all gold plated.
All gold plated.
Gold, 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 gold,
Yes.
gold, gold.
From inside also.
Inside is also gold. Wow.
And also the engine also make it the gold.
Engine also gold.
Yeah.
No way. No.
And this car,
Way.
1,500 horsepower.
1,500 horsepower.
Yes.
This is a work of art.
This one not for driving, just to show. You have system for suspension for this car also.
You have air suspension. From the remote, you can make a Engines are better than electric because you can modify literally anything and everything out of them. This is what makes you passionate about loving a car. Hand built by Zumi Xiaowang Shanghong. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Engraved, engraved, engraved. Everything is engraved in gold. I want to hear how loud this car is. That's oxygen. I'm like a plant. I will inhale this carbon dioxide and make oxygen out of it.
Don't got a heart, but fuck it, I'm paid. Well, it be the body, you fresh out the cage. I'm still the same for minimum wage. They tryna keep up, so they stalking my